IBG News Karma Yogi Series News read by Arthur as reported by Antara Tripathi and Saman Munshi. West Bengal CM painted a colourful story of the resurgence of Bengal's industry, accepting the fact despite social works, industrial developments were not as per expected pace. She also put the doubtful Titagarh Wagons Ltd announces the launch of a slew of expansion initiatives to celebrate 25 years of its glorious journey in India. Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Honourable Chief Minister of West Bengal, has inaugurated the stainless coach manufacturing facility at the Uttarpura plant, a brownfield expansion of the group. Remotely inaugurated the new shipyard in Falta. Inaugurated capacity expansion for wagons and propulsion production for traction motors and traction converters. Kolkata, July 27, 2022, Titagarh Group, one of the market leaders in the railway rolling stock, trains and freight wagons, business in India, Italy and a leader in manufacturing heavy equipment, shipbuilding, and bridges in India has announced the inauguration of a slew of expansion initiatives today in line with the Make India movement. The inauguration also marked the successful completion of the 25 years of the remarkable journey of Titagarh Wagons Ltd, BSE, 532966 vertical bar NSE, TWL, Titagarh, a flagship company of Titagarh Group. The Titagarh Group firmly adheres to mobility in every field as its mantra for growth. At a formal function at the state-of-the-art plant of Titagarh Wagons Ltd at Uttarpura, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Honourable Chief Minister, Government of West Bengal has set off the grand celebration formally in the presence of Shri H. K. Dwivedi, Chief Secretary, Government of West Bengal, SMT. Vandana Yadav, Principal Secretary, Department of Industries, Commerce, and Enterprises, Secretary, IT and Electronics, West Bengal and MD, with Government of West Bengal, Shri J.P. Chowdhury, Chairman, Titagarh Group and Shri Umesh Chaudhary, Vice Chairman and MD, Titagarh Group, and the entire Titagarh family today at the state-of-the-art plant in Uttarpura. To make this August occasion a memorable one in the history of the Titagarh Group, and the industrialization of West Bengal and in India, the Honourable Chief Minister has flagged off a host of significant projects for the group today. To begin with, Honourable CM has laid the foundation stone of the new stainless steel coach manufacturing facility today. Honourable CM also has remotely inaugurated a new shipyard of the Titagarh Group at its recently acquired facility in Falta today. She also flagged off the initiatives on capacity expansion for wagons in Titagarh and propulsion production for traction motors and traction converters on this occasion. Inaugurating the facilities, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Honourable Chief Minister, Government of West Bengal said, "It is indeed another feather to the industrialisation drive of West Bengal. We have registered a positive growth of 1.2% in our state GDP during the pandemic over the national GDP growth rate of 0.2%. West Bengal as a state has set up 521 MSME clusters, 16 medical colleges, 52 engineering colleges, and 43 specialty hospitals, and we have been able to decrease the unemployment rate by 45%. The state government has ensured investment to the tune of 1.5 lakh crore INR after the Bengal Global Business Summit. The state government has allocated a total of 250-acre land in Silicon Valley, out of which 100 acres have been already consumed and the rest 100 acres are being consumed. We are expecting a total employment generation of 60,000. I am urging Titagarh Wagons Ltd to employ 20% of the workforce from the women population. Let us expand our industrial horizon. We are delighted that Titagarh Wagons Ltd is achieving new milestones. A lot of corporates are coming to the state. Ford is investing. We are confident in making our state a hub of industry. I wish Titagarh Wagons Ltd a grand success in their endeavours. We congratulate the entire Titagarh family on its 25 years of journey. This is a classic example to showcase growth. West Bengal government has been always encouraging industrialists to set up their manufacturing units in the state. We have set up single window system to expedite official procedures and for ease of doing business. We have set up sectoral committees with representatives from industries to facilitate policy intervention. In fact, Shri Umesh Chaudhary of Titagarh Group is one sectoral head. We are encouraging industries to come to us and create jobs here. The state government has launched Utkarsh scheme, an employment-linked skill development program to certify workers. We are committed to support them with conducive business ecosystem, industry-friendly policies. We are happy that the investment will come from Italy to the state through Titagarh Group, said Shri H.K. Dwivedi, Chief Secretary, Government of West Bengal. Welcoming the Honourable Chief Minister, West Bengal, SMT. Mamata Banerjee. Shri Farhad Hakim, Mike, Kalyan, Chief Second, Industry Second, Shri Umesh Chaudhary, Vice Chairman and D, Titagarh Group said, "Today is a landmark day for the entire Titagarh Wagons Ltd family as we are marking the landmark journey of 25 glorious years of service by flagship company Titagarh Wagons Ltd with a host of projects in the state. We are inspired by the industrialization move by the Honorable CM and the state government. West Bengal is the only state where land record is digitized. Government is willingly supporting industrialization and the team at Titagarh has been tirelessly working hard to fulfill the dream. This is our state and we started the journey of Titagarh Wagons Ltd in 1997. The proposed plant and capacity enhancement will increase our production capacity from 8,000 wagons to 12,000 wagons per year. We will double the capacity in the foundry in next 3 to 5 years. Our units are equipped to design modern aluminium and stainless steel passenger coaches here, making it the only facility of its kind in the country. We will recruit 250 engineers who will be trained in Italy. We will be providing training and stipend to the engineers. During the peak of the pandemic, we also set up a 500-bed site hospital here in Uttarpra in order to help serve the community. The Titagarh Group began its journey in the year 1997. Since then, it has been treading many uncharted growth trajectories from the passenger and freight wagons in railway infrastructure to foundries, heavy engineering sector, shipbuilding, defense equipment and bridges. The company has achieved many milestones in course of this period, right from being one of the trusted private sector shipbuilders for Ministry of Defence, Government of India for the Indian Navy, after having delivered 2 vessels to them on or before time. Apart from receiving many laurels, Titagarh Wagons Ltd also has attained the coveted status of being an industry partner to DRDO. Titagarh Wagons Ltd also manufactures state-of-the-art modular steel bridges, through its partnership with Materi SAS, France. The group has expanded its footprint to Italy, thus have embarked on its journey to being a global conglomerate. As we are all set to celebrate the 75th year of independence of India, we are excited to unveil our new stainless steel coach manufacturing facility alongside the aluminium, creating a new benchmark in the railway rolling stock business in India. Our new shipyard, inaugurated by our Honourable Chief Minister at Falta, will cater to growing shipbuilding industry in India. At Titagarh Group we are committed to contribute to the Make in India movement of our country, making India self-reliant and a global leader in manufacturing sector, said Shri J.P. Chaudhary, Chairman, Titagarh Group. Titagarh Wagons Ltd currently has 3 functioning manufacturing units and 2 operational steel foundries in Uttarpra, Titagarh, and Bharatpur, a shipbuilding unit in Titagarh with an upcoming one in Falta, and an integrated design center in Hyderabad. The group has acquired land at Falta for manufacturing ships in January this year. The proposed stainless steel coach manufacturing facility, a brownfield expansion of the state-of-the-art Uttarpra plant, would manufacture coaches for Metro Railway project for Bangalore Metro in manufacturing agreement with CRRC, and other future projects with stainless steel requirements. The plant will be equipped with the production capacity of 240 coaches a year, which will be ramped up to 400 coaches down the line. Titagarh Wagons Ltd has already invested and will invest a total of approximately 1,000 crore between 2020 to 2025 across all the divisions combined. The group will generate around 5,000 direct and 11,000 indirect employment over the next 5 years. Currently the group employs 2,000 people directly and around 5,000 people indirectly in West Bengal. The cumulative production capacity of 3 units of the Titagarh Group has been 8,400 wagons, whereas the plant at Uttarpura can produce 4,800 wagons every year. We had received orders on 29th May, and in the month of June 22nd we have reached to the level of 6,000 wagons in TGH unit. We are going to enhance the capacity of TGH unit to 8,400 wagons and combined capacity of 12,000 wagons. Our target is to produce 1,000 wagons a month from TGH in the financial year 2023-24. We employ around 1,300 people directly, and in the future it may reach 2,500, said Umesh Chaudhary, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Titagarh Group. Our stainless steel coach manufacturing facility will enable us to become a significant player in the upcoming stainless steel coach sector in India, as rail coaches made of stainless steel can minimize the impact of train accidents. The use of stainless steel in passenger coaches is a common practice in developed economies like US, Canada, Brazil, and Japan. With our new facility, we will cater to this need of Indian ecosystem, added Umesh Chaudhary. Journey about Titagarh Wagons Ltd, TWL has successfully transformed itself from a wagon maker for Indian Railways to a multinational diversified engineering and fabrication group. TWL is the largest private sector manufacturer of railway coaches, EMUs, MEM, and the largest wagon maker. TWL has access to the technology required for manufacture of metro coaches, electric trains and shunting locomotives through its wholly owned subsidiary, Titagarh Firma Spa, Italy. TWL is also a leader in supply of special wagons for defense, panel bridges, integrated field shelters etc. One of the earliest private entrants in defense, it is an industry partner to DRDO, an industrial license holder for certain products for defense. It has state-of-the-art engineering infrastructure spread across Titagarh and Uttarpura in West Bengal, Bharatpur in Rajasthan, and Caserta in Italy. The event is definitely a milestone for good governance of industrial sector by Titagarh Wagons Ltd. News by IBG News Karma Yogi Series.